Welcome to Pi International Education. Thank you so much for watching this video. Recently, if you've been following our YouTube page and Facebook page, you would have realized we have a lot of students who are giving their testimonials because they got their acceptance letters and offer letters as well as visa approvals. And we have had a lot of visa approvals, especially for Seneca College in Canada. So that's why we decided to bring to you this video and tell you a little bit more about Seneca College, because it is one of the top choices that you should be looking for if you're planning to go and study in Canada. So we have our international counselor here today. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So Sharik here is going to be helping us out with understanding a bit more about applications to Seneca College. So Sharik, can you tell us a little bit about Seneca College?
Basically, in the current international market, I think Seneca is a game changer. What to say, Seneca is based in Toronto, as we all know. It has 6 campuses all over Toronto. It has more than 17,000 full-time students and 19,000 part-time students. As far as international students are concerned, it has more than 3,500 international students studying in Seneca, and the numbers just keep on increasing every year. As far as our market, for the Bangladeshi market is concerned, Seneca has been growing, and now it has, this year especially during the pandemic, it has reached its peak. The numbers are ever so growing, and it's amazing to see so many students wanting to go to Seneca for their higher education.
That's amazing. So can you tell us a bit about what the requirements are, or who can apply to Seneca College?
Actually, what I like about Seneca is that they have programs for everyone. Unlike other universities where there are very strict requirements, entrance requirements or eligibility requirements, like you have to have your O-levels and A-levels and all of that. For Seneca, it's not like that. They provide opportunity for everyone. And by everyone, I mean literally everyone. If you have done your O-levels, because of any financial or for any tragic reason you could not continue your A-levels, you could not continue your studies, or you even did bad at your A-levels or something like that, you could always do their foundation, actually diploma programs. They provide 2-year diplomas, 3-year advanced diplomas for students who have done their O-levels, their A-levels. They even have bachelor programs for students who have completed their A-levels successfully. Not only that, even after your bachelor's, if you want to go to Canada for your further education, you could also go for postgraduate at Seneca.
That's amazing. So it has opportunities for basically everyone.
Basically everyone.
So what exactly is Seneca well known for?
As I said, Seneca is well known for 2 things, I think. Number 1 is quality, and the other one is affordable education. So we all know how tough it is for students to travel in an international travel abroad for their higher education. The cost of living is not as low as our country. Like we all know, we have to accept the fact that we are living in a third world country, and expenses in other first world countries like Canada are very high, and they normally charge higher for it when it comes to international students. So as far as that is concerned, Seneca is way cheaper and affordable. It comes within that range compared to other universities and colleges. And what can I say about quality? As I said, they provide amazing options, and they have international level A standard, A grade teachers that provide you amazing courses. So you can kickstart your career right after you are done with your degrees at Seneca.
That's great to know. I hope you all are listening in, and I hope you guys follow our page as well for more information. One last question, Sharik, can you tell us a bit about what after Seneca College, what options do students have?
Actually, Seneca College, I think personally thinks about all of its students, not only how they have to recruit them, but also what they are going to do after they're done with their degrees. Which is why they are partnered with top ranked universities in Canada, starting from York University. They also have a branch within York University, which we all know is a very well known public university in Canada. They have also partnership with University of Toronto, which is number 1 in Canada and probably within 2025 in the world. So if after you're done with your diploma, you can transfer your credits to those universities. Seneca has a transfer team specifically for those students who, after doing their diploma, want to go to those universities for their undergrad. One more thing, which is this just provides Seneca with an edge, is if you are doing a 2-year diploma, after that you only have to do your undergrad for next 2 years, which is your year 3 and year 4. So basically, even if you're done with your O levels, you only have to study for 4 years and you're done with your undergrad. So I think that's like, there's none other option for students other than Seneca when it comes to like affordable, good quality education with a better career.
Okay, so now we have all the information about Seneca College. So now, what would you tell our students? How can they apply to Seneca College? What are the steps?
So the steps are very easy. You just have to do nothing. You just have to come to PI, and we'll take care of the rest. Basically, what happens is you come with your qualification, education documents, and we apply to Seneca. We will get you the offer letter within a week if you're eligible, of course. Eligibility depends on what you have studied. If you have completed your O levels or your A levels, or if you are from Bangla medium background, and then you have to have IELTS as well. IELTS requirement is not that much. You have to have 6.0, which is pretty convenient when it comes to IELTS, as we all know what IELTS is. After that, once we are done with the offer letter, just have to fill up some formalities and then we will do the visa part. As far as we are concerned, for the whole process throughout, right from the beginning till the very end, PI does not charge anything for our services. We are here to provide you the service so that you, or if any of the parents are listening, your child could go to Seneca College, study abroad and get a good degree with an amazing career ahead, but we will not charge anything for our services. So that's more or less it. One last thing, many of you might want to know about the education cost of Seneca. So as I mentioned earlier, it's much more affordable compared to other colleges or universities. It's somewhere around 15,000-16,000 Canadian dollars, which is roughly within 9 to 11 lakhs per year, which is pretty convenient compared when it comes to studying internationally, when it comes to studying abroad, because we all know what other costs there are and how much do the other universities charge. So more or less that's about it.
And what about the intake? So when should students start to apply? When should they come to PI? When is
Alright, one more thing. Seneca College has 3 intakes when compared to 2 intakes which other universities usually offer. So they have intakes in January, they have intakes in May-June session, and they have intakes in the fall session. So right now we are doing counseling for the May session mainly, and also for the following upcoming September session. So if any one of you wants to apply to Seneca for the May session, you're very welcome to come to any of our branches, as Miss Sarah said, in Dhanmondi, Bonani and Uttara. And if you are like thinking about applying in September, then also we are welcoming you to come, because we have already started applying for September and there are not much seats available, as we all know.
So I hope you all have been listening in carefully to everything that your counselor has been telling you. Make sure that if you do plan to apply to Canada for higher studies, you come to any one of our PI branches at Dhanmondi, Uttara or Bonani. You can also apply from our online portal by visiting apply.mypibd.com, and you can actually look at all the options that we have available. You can upload your documents, and you can also call up our counselors and speak to them directly. So we hope to see you soon at any one of our PI branches. Thank you so much.
Thank you.